unboxing
No.
video.
Anyway, hopefully, if everything goes well, there may have been a hint on the shirt I was wearing. Fancy knife that I buy for quite a while. If you don't. Yep, so here I am. Been in the water, and let's see how it's doing. Review and all that stuff. We'll see. Howdy, howdy, howdy. So, what I have here is the Harbor Freight Icon. Been carrying this now for 1 year. Pretty much, yeah, carrying this in my pocket almost every day when I could. Link to my original review of this down below. And yeah, I've had this just about every day, cutting food, cutting boxes, in my pocket in the ocean, going hiking. It's pretty much been there with me the whole time. Have not cleaned it up, have not sharpened it. So figure we'll take a look, see how it's going, see how sharp it is after 1 year. Yeah, not very sharp. Well, that section was, but yeah, a lot of bad spots. Little section right there is still good, but yeah, it's pretty dull after a year. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at it. All right, so here's how it looks after a year. Now, at the time, I did not know that this was basically a copy of the Todd Begg glimpse knife, or mini glimpse. Wish I knew that at the time, because I do like Todd Begg. I've got a few of his other knives. See, this thing has been in my pocket in the Gulf. It's got rust spots because it's D2, but overall it's held up. Saw it didn't do too well with the paper, but let's see how it does with the food now. I mean, I guess it could, if you got to power through some stuff. Yeah, so you could still cut your onions, still cut your food if you got to power through it. Why not, yeah, see if we could slice a banana skin. Why not? Yeah, as you can see, not very well. But, of course, you can cut like this. But if you're just trying to skin a banana for whatever reason, it's not doing so well. right, let's go ahead. Yeah, it's still pretty solid though. It's not wiggling, and it's still, if you can see that, it's still centered. So after a year of this, what do I think about it? Yeah, you know, for the money, I think it's like what, $40, almost $40 without the coupon, $30 if you can get a coupon usually. Is it worth it? Yeah, probably. Do I like them basically taking the almost exact same design as Todd Bag? No. And speaking of Todd Bag, I do have his collaboration War Junkie kukri with White River knives, unused, but it does have some Kydex scratches. I've got this. I'll let go for $250. The White River S35 Ian. You can look up more about that. Just send me an email, DannyRisksit@gmail.com, if you want to go ahead, get your hands on this Todd Bag kukri White River collab. Anyway, I'll put in, if it's sold, I'll put a note down below that it's sold. But do I wish they took? Do I wish Harbor Freight, took, Todd Bag's design? No. For the mini glimpse, no, I don't like that. Would I rather purchase the Todd Bag mini glimpse? Probably. But as an alternative, wish I knew beforehand, but as an alternative, just this knife as itself, yeah, it's a good knife for the price. I haven't sharpened it. It's held up through my abuse for a year, being carried almost every day. So I'm gonna give it, oh yeah, there's never any hot spots. This spot right here with the choil, it has bit me, so just got to be careful there. But I mean, it was fine in the hand otherwise. So by itself, as just a knife, no design, considerations, for being similar to Todd Bag's knife, none of that stuff. Just this knife on its own, this knife is going to get a 9 out of 10. It was really good. Full original review down below, and it's held up really good for a year. So yeah, so I guess that's about it for the Harbor Freight Icon folding knife. It held up really well for a year. So yeah, that's all I got to say about that, I guess. So link down below to original review, and we're gonna get outside, enjoy life, and try things. Thanks for checking out this video. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Check out these other videos floating around on the screen here, and stick around for additional stuff coming up. You never know what I might do. Will be another taste test, will be a review. Will I be out hiking again? Who knows? Stick around, find out. Enjoy.